Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Mazda key. This is for a keyless entry. You'll find this particular key goes for models starting from 2007, 2008 up until 2019, 20. It's a 4-button key. The procedure is relatively simple. You have to remove the emergency blade with the turn of this button. So you just turn it towards the right of the key and it pushes out like so. Then with the help of a small flathead screwdriver, you have a couple of gaps in here which once pushed will release the back of the key slightly. Then we have to slide the back towards the front like that, okay, and just there's another clip in here just in the middle of the key, and once that is pushed it releases the back. Okay, the battery will be just on the back of this case here, and it pops out. As you see, is relatively simple and you don't really risk damaging any of the internal components. So the battery in our case is a CR2025. Replace the battery, and when you place a new battery in, please make sure you put the positive side facing upwards. Okay, make sure you have this seal back in place, and then we put it back onto the key. Right, it clicks. With the back of the case you have to slide it back into position, and then it clicks. We put the emergency blade back on and your key is ready. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, do leave us a comment below. Have a good day.